God damn it, boys. We're gonna be fucking swimming today.
It's a convertible now. It's an open top.
Damn, baby, back up. You got to take. Oh!
Bam.
Oh no. Well, rip this. Truck just fucking went under this bridge. Oh my god. Holy fuck.
Oh shit.
I watched him cause a big wreck back in